Hello friends, welcome to Tech Electric. Myself Piyush and today's topic of our video is Buchholz relay. In this session, we will cover the function of Buchholz relay, the arrangement of Buchholz relay in the transformer unit, the operation of Buchholz relay during major and minor fault in the transformer unit. We will also cover its advantages and limitations. So let's get started right away. Firstly, you must be thinking that what is the Buchholz relay? So Buchholz relay is a special type of gas actuated relay which is used to sense the fault occurring inside the transformer. Please note that it provides protection only against transformer internal faults and does not respond to external bushing or cable connection faults. It is used on all oil immersed transformer having rating more than 500 kVA. Figure A shows arrangement of Buchholz relay. As you can see in the figure, Buchholz relay is installed in between the conservator and the main tank, that is in the pipe connecting the transformer tank and the conservator. The Buchholz relay consists of two mercury switches, upper mercury switch and lower mercury switch. The upper mercury switch is used to send a signal to alarm circuit and the lower mercury switch is used to send a trip signal to circuit breaker. Now the next topic of the session is operation of Buchholz relay. When a minor fault such as core heating or turns fault occur in the transformer unit, heating occurs in the transformer tank. Due to this heat, the transformer oil gets evaporated. Due to this, gases start to accumulate at the top of the transformer tank. When these gases reaches a particular level, oil level in the transformer tank falls. Therefore, the mercury type switch attached to the float is tilted, so closes the alarm circuit and rings the bell. Thereby, the operator knows that there is some incipient fault in the transformer. The transformer is disconnected at the earliest possible and the gas sample is tested. Now, when a major fault occurs in the transformer unit, there is a sudden flow or rush of transformer oil from transformer tank towards the conservator. Here, the flap is such placed that it senses a sudden violent movement of oil from transformer tank towards the conservator. So, the flap tilts the mercury switch, which operates the trip circuit to switch off the circuit breaker related to the transformer, and the transformer unit is protected against the fault. Now the last topic of the session is advantages and limitations of Buchholz relay. The main advantage of Buchholz relay is that it can easily detect incipient fault, which is also known as minor faults. Minor faults includes core heating and turns fault. As minor faults are easily detected, the transformer unit can be taken out of service before major fault occurs. But there are also limitations of Buchholz relay. Only faults below the oil level are detected. For faults above the oil level, this relay is ignorant. Another limitation of Buchholz relay is that it does not protect the connecting cable. As I already told you, Buchholz relay only provide protection for the internal fault, so it does not protect connecting cable. Therefore, a different protective system is required for that purpose. Another limitation is that setting of the mercury switch cannot be very sensitive. If mercury switches are made very sensitive, then there can be a false operation by vibrations, earthquakes, mechanical shocks to the pipe, setting of birds, etc. So this was all about Buchholz relay. If you have any doubt or query regarding the topic taught in today's session, you can ask them in the comment section. That's it for today's session. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. For more such content related to electrical engineering, subscribe to Tech Electric and press the notification bell icon for receiving updates of latest videos from our channel. Thank you.